Hey y'all, it's me, Miss A, for another segment of Ask Miss A. I have a problem from a geometry student that we're going to jump right into. I'm going to go ahead and share my screen so y'all can see the problem. So here we go. It says find the measure. Do you see it? There we go. Find the measure of the missing angle. So I do have a 90-degree angle here indicated by this little perpendicular box. And what we have to do, part of the angle measure has been given. It's 25 degrees right here, right? But the other part is we don't know its value. So we have to figure out what is the value of angle A. What it means, this 25 degrees plus A has to add up to 90 degrees. So we are going to use our algebra skills to figure this out. We'll write an algebraic equation. 25 plus A equals 90. Now, in order to get this variable of A by itself, I've got to get this 25 away from it and on the other side of the equal sign. So since 25 is being added to A, what is the opposite of adding 25, guys? Subtracting 25. So I'm going to subtract 25 from both sides of the equation to keep it balanced. On this side, 25 and negative 25, or 25 minus 25, they cancel each other out. I bring down my A, and then I'm going to just do the math right here. 90 minus 25, what does that give us? 65, and that is our value. So that means this angle here, angle A, has a measure of 65 degrees, and we can always check it by adding those two, right? So if I do 65 plus 25, let's see, 5 plus 5 is 10, carry my 1, there we go. They add up to 90 degrees, which means we have done the problem correctly. So if you have a question from your math class that you'd like to see Miss A solve, please email me a screenshot of your question and I'll do your problem online. Ask Miss A.